my foundation was wrought, my tried and true way to deal was to vanish. My departures were old. I stood in the room, shaking in my boots. At that particular time, love had challenged me to stay. At that particular moment, I knew not to run away again. At that particular month, I was ready to investigate with you. At that particular time, we thought a break would be good. For 4 months we sat and vacillated. We thought a small time apart would clear up the doubts that were abounding. At that particular time, love encouraged me to wait. At that particular moment, it helped me to be patient. At that particular month, we needed time to marinate in what us meant. At that particular